Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Noah and Allie, where confidence grows one conversation at a time. I'm Noah.
Hi, everyone. I'm Allie. It's really nice to have you here with us.
So, Allie, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Why?
Because you've been staring at that coffee for about 30 seconds and you haven't taken a single sip.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
That's how I know something is wrong. You always finish your coffee before we start recording.
Okay, maybe I'm a little distracted today.
A little?
Okay, a lot.
Okay, what happened?
Honestly, I had a really bad morning.
Really? What happened?
Well, first, I overslept.
You? You never oversleep.
I know. That's what makes it worse. I woke up, looked at my phone, and immediately knew I was late. I was supposed to leave at 8. I got out of bed at 8:20.
Allie!
I know. I was already having a bad day before I even left my bedroom.
Okay, so you woke up late. What happened next?
I got dressed as quickly as I could. I didn't even have breakfast. Then I ran outside to catch the bus.
And?
I watched it leave.
Oh no.
Yeah. I stood there and watched the bus drive away.
That's rough.
And honestly, that wasn't even the worst part.
Wait, that wasn't the worst part?
No, there's more.
Okay, now I really want to know what happened.
I'm not sure I want to tell you.
That bad?
It was just one of those days.
Well, tell me what happened next.
Okay, but you're going to think I'm having the worst luck in the world. I called a taxi, but of course, the taxi was stuck in traffic.
Of course it was.
I was sitting in the back of the taxi, looking at the clock every 30 seconds.
That's a very healthy way to stay calm.
I know, I wasn't calm at all. I kept thinking, please move, but the cars were barely moving.
So you were already late.
Very late. And when I finally arrived, I realized I had forgotten something. My notebook.
Your notebook?
Yes, the one thing I really needed.
Oh, Allie.
I know. I stood outside for a few seconds just thinking, how did I forget that?
Maybe because you woke up 20 minutes late?
Thank you, Noah. Very helpful.
I'm just trying to solve the mystery.
Well, the mystery is solved. I was tired, I was late, and I wasn't thinking clearly.
So what did you do?
I went back to get it.
You went all the way back?
Yes. And that's when things got even worse.
What happened?
I bought a coffee.
Okay, that's not worse.
Wait, let me finish. I bought the coffee because I thought I needed some energy. I took one sip, and then I dropped it.
You dropped the whole coffee?
The whole thing, on the sidewalk.
Oh, no.
Don't laugh.
I'm sorry, I'm trying.
You're terrible.
Okay, I'm serious now. That sounds like a really bad morning.
It was. And the funny thing is, normally I would laugh about all of this.
But today was different?
Yeah, because today was actually important.
Important how?
I had something really important to do today.
What was it?
I had an interview.
An interview?
Yeah, a really important one.
Ah, okay, now I understand.
I was nervous about it all week.
You didn't tell me.
I know. I didn't really want to talk about it. I kept telling myself not to worry. I kept thinking about everything that could go wrong. What if I forgot an answer? What if they didn't like me? And then I woke up late. I missed the bus. I forgot my notebook. Then I dropped my coffee.
So every little problem felt much bigger.
Exactly. Normally, missing a bus isn't a disaster, and spilling coffee isn't the end of the world. But today, everything felt terrible.
Because you were already stressed.
Yeah, I think I was already having a difficult week, and this morning just pushed me over the edge.
I understand. Sometimes one small problem is okay, but when you're already tired or worried, one more thing can feel like too much.
That's exactly how I felt.
You know, I've felt that way before. A few years ago, I had an important presentation. I prepared for days. I practiced everything.
That sounds like you.
Maybe. But on the morning of the presentation, I couldn't find my keys.
Oh no.
I looked everywhere: my desk, my kitchen, my bag, even the refrigerator.
The refrigerator?
I was stressed. I wasn't thinking clearly.
Did you find them?
Yes, they were in my jacket pocket. And I had been wearing that jacket the whole time.
That's actually worse.
I know. But I remember how nervous I felt that morning. And when I finally got to the presentation, I realized I was okay.
I hope that's what happened to me.
So tell me, how did the interview go?
Well, that's the interesting part.
What happened?
I got there about 10 minutes late.
Oh no.
I know. I was sure it was over before it even started.
But they still let you in?
Yes, they were actually very nice about it.
That's good.
I apologized. I explained that I had missed my bus, and they just said, "Don't worry, these things happen."
That's nice.
Yeah, and hearing that actually helped me relax a little.
So how did the interview go?
The first few minutes were difficult.
Why?
To be honest, they asked me a question, and suddenly my mind went completely blank. I knew the answer. I really did. But for a few seconds, nothing.
What did you do?
I took a breath, and I said, "Sorry, could you give me a moment to think?"
That's actually a very good response.
It worked. They waited, and then I remembered what I wanted to say. And after that, I felt much better.
So it wasn't a disaster.
No, it wasn't.
Even after the bus?
Even after the bus.
Even after the forgotten notebook?
Yes, even after the notebook.
And the coffee?
Especially the coffee.
I still can't believe you dropped it.
You know what? At least I didn't drink it.
What do you mean?
It was terrible coffee.
So you're saying the coffee saved you?
It was actually doing me a favor.
Well, that's one way to look at it.
You know, I think I was expecting everything to go wrong.
Because you were nervous.
Yeah. Before the interview, I was already imagining the worst. Then I realized it didn't have to be perfect.
That's true.
To be honest, I made a mistake. I was late, I forgot something, I even dropped my coffee, but I still went to the interview. I still answered the questions, and I got through it.
That's what matters.
Yeah, maybe it wasn't actually the worst day ever.
You know, I think you handled it pretty well.
I don't know about that.
You were late, you forgot your notebook, you dropped your coffee, and you still made it to the interview.
When you say it like that, it sounds pretty impressive.
I'm just being honest.
I guess I feel better now. I think I just needed to talk about it.
You don't always need someone to solve the problem. Sometimes you just need someone to listen.
That's true.
And how are you feeling now?
Honestly, much better. I'm still tired, but I don't feel so stressed anymore.
Good.
And I learned something today. A bad morning doesn't have to become a bad day.
I like that.
I thought everything was going wrong, but when I think about it now, some things were actually okay.
Exactly. You had a difficult morning. That doesn't mean the whole day was a disaster.
Yeah, and the interview went better than I expected.
That's a pretty important part.
It is.
So, would you say today was a good day?
No, let's not get carried away.
Fair enough.
It was a difficult day with one good part.
I'll take that.
And maybe tomorrow will be better.
Hopefully.
As long as I don't have coffee.
I knew you were going to say that.
I'm serious. No more coffee for me.
That's probably not going to last very long.
You're right. I'll probably have one tomorrow morning.
Just try not to drop it.
I'll do my best.
And if you're having a bad day too, remember that one difficult day doesn't mean everything is going wrong. Sometimes you just need a little time and maybe someone to talk to.
And maybe a little coffee.
Maybe.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
And thank you for spending this time with us. We hope you enjoyed today's natural English conversation.
We'll see you in the next one.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.